5 things you should avoid as a content creator. Number 1, avoid posting unverified links on your page. Okay? Whether it's your Facebook page, whether it's your TikTok account, whether it's your YouTube channel, whether it's your Instagram account, whatever kind of account that you are using, as long as you are a content creator, please do not post unverified links on your page, because you don't know what that link is and you don't know where that link is taking people to. You might get some strikes or warnings or ban in your account if you post those unverified links often. Okay, please don't post unverified links in your page if you want to keep your page neat, monetized, and you keep making money from it. Okay, don't post unverified links on your page. That was the first one. Now, the second thing that you need to avoid as a content creator is that you need to avoid posting unoriginal contents on your page. Avoid posting people's videos. Now, as a content creator, you need to understand that you need to make original contents by yourself so that people can see the value that you bring. Not just people, whatever platform that you are using, whether it's YouTube, whether it's Facebook, whether it's TikTok, can see the value that you bring into their platform. So that money that you want them to pay you, they will pay you that money effectively. Okay, so stay away from posting unoriginal content, because it's going to put you in a lot of trouble. It's going to put you in a lot of trouble. It is going to put you in a lot of trouble. So the way to avoid this is to post original contents. Okay, get content ideas. Like, there is something about creators. Every good creator is a thief. Now, don't put me out of context. Now, think about this. Every good creator must be a good reader. The person must watch other videos. The person must follow other creators that are bigger than him or her at the moment, so that they can be able to learn something that they can put in their own video to make their video stand out. Okay, so you can watch videos, you can read books, you can follow people and watch what they do and how they do it and when they do it, so that you can be able to learn from them and apply these some things in creating your own content. So that's what I mean by every creator is a thief. Okay, get follow other creators. One creator can follow 5, 6, 7, 10 creators. Now, take something from each of these 10 creators, put them together, assemble them together in your own video, so that you can be able to stand out. Okay, it takes a creator to be able to identify these elements that I mentioned and apply them effectively, so that you can create an original content that will be your own. Okay, do it today and you'll be glad you did. Now, that was the second thing that you need to avoid. Now, the third thing you need to avoid as a content creator is to stop begging for followers. Instead of begging for followers, focus on making your content stand out. Focus on making your content to stand out. Once your content stands out, once your brand stands out, people are going to be attracted to you with that one unique thing that you have. People are going to be attracted to you. So stop begging for followers. Rather, focus on standing out from the crowd, so that people can identify you as different from the rest of the pack. Okay, that was the number 3 thing. Now, the number 4 thing that you need to avoid as a content creator is to avoid commenting hate speeches. Okay, avoid going to other people's comment section and writing hate speeches to them. Avoid that. If you want your page to be neat, if you want your page to not receive strikes and warnings or bans or whatever it is, avoid commenting on negatively on other people's pages. Okay, instead of commenting negatively, it's better you don't comment at all. Just go away, like the video. If you don't like the video, just share the video or drop a comment, drop something positive. Or if you're going to drop a comment and it's not going to be all praises and worship, drop something meaningful, drop something unique, or rather, name the reasons why you have your own opinions of that content. Drop it on the comment section. Instead of dropping hate speeches, drop an opinion. It's better that way. That is how you get into constructive criticism. You want to criticize people, criticize them constructively, so that your criticism will be important. The person will learn something from your criticism. So that's how you go about it. So that was number 14. Now, the fifth thing that you should avoid as a content creator is that you shouldn't expose sensitive parts of your body while you are making your own videos. Now, a lot of people who are looking to go viral or who wants attention, especially the ladies, they do stuff that can be termed a content that is filled with, you know what I mean. Okay, so do not expose sensitive parts of your body while filming your videos. People can still go viral when they give value. It is only people who know that they can't offer value that will resort to doing that kind of stuff so that they can be able to gain value. Okay. But if you are offering value in your own videos, it's just a matter of time before the algorithm takes your videos to the people that needs your videos, and then you will go viral eventually. Okay. So here are the five things that you have to avoid as a content creator. And I've told you these five things. Okay. I hope you have learned a thing or two in this video. Like, comment, share, and follow for more. I will see you in my next video. Cheers.